Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another limited edition unboxing to share with you, and it is the Lookfantastic Mother's Day box. This is what the box looks like. The cost of the box is £60, but if you are a subscriber to Lookfantastic's monthly beauty box, you're able to get £10 off if you use code MUMBB. I do have a permanent Lookfantastic code, which is DiaryLF. Sometimes that works towards a beauty box. So if you're not a subscriber and you fancy this box for yourself and fancy checking to see if you can get a bit of a discount, then you're welcome to use it. I'll pop a code down in the descriptions, as well as links to this beauty box and any other offers, any other beauty boxes currently got on their website. You find it all listed down there. This box is kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, and it has a value of £213 and contains, have I already said it? I think I've already said it, haven't I? It contains 11 beauty products. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. It's my first time having a look inside. Oh, look at my hand. Can you see there? Can you see? I've got a red mark there and it's swollen. It's swelling up. It's from a lip plumping serum that's inside the Lookfantastic Easter egg box that I've just unboxed, and I tested it out on my hand. So yes, it definitely plumps. But yeah, that's so weird, isn't it? Okay, anyway, back to this box. We've got a QR code here, so we're able to find out more information about the products. There's 12 items in this box, not 11. Starting off, we have got a hydrogel cream for all skin types from Honest Beauty, and there's 50 ml here. To hydrate, smooth and refresh, dermatologically tested, and it is vegan. Oh, I'm gonna have to wreck the tape because it's got sellotape. So it looks like there. This best-selling formula has a lightweight gel cream texture that seeks to replenish moisture, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. Let's try it on my little swollen patch then on my skin, my hand. Oh, it feels really nice. It's cooling it down a bit. A really nice lightweight cream. It says it quenches the skin like a tall glass of water because being thirsty is not cool. So we got a moisturiser. Next we got a 7-day sample of new retinol ceramide capsules, line erasing night serum by Elizabeth Arden. And I'll just get them out and show you. I love these little capsules. I love the fact that you've got the exact dose that you need. It's not going to go off, it doesn't get contaminated or anything. It says new, so retinol and ceramide. They provide the skin with a targeted treatment that helps to reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles, and this is a deluxe size, so there's a 7-day sample there. Next we got a product from Nooks. This is a scented shower gel. It cleanses and softens with sweet almond oil, and there's 30 ml here. This is gorgeous. I love a lot of products from Nooks. Really, really lovely. They've got gorgeous lip balm, a honey lip balm, which is oh, I love it. It just smells so nice. I know it says it contains sweet almond oil, but there's other things in there which I can't describe because I'm not very good at describing. It smells fruity. It says this scented shower gel feels silky soft with its delicate botanical origin cleansing base infused with sweet almond oil. It's just really, really nice. Yeah, like fruit juice, like tropical fruit juice. Anyway, we've got a shower gel. Next, we've got Iconic London. This is a sheer blush in shade Rose Riot. So this is a liquid blush, and I think I've got this shade already. There. So I want to show you what it looks like, the colour. So it's like a coral, peachy tone. Ultra creamy and lightweight, the blush adds an instant glow to your complexion. Then we got Sol de Janeiro. This is a Beija Flor Elasti Cream, enriched with retinol, mimicking cacao oil and plant collagen. And there's 25 ml here. How cute is this tub? It is gorgeous, isn't it? Now in the Easter egg that I've just unboxed, which you might see before this one or you might see after, I'm not sure when I'll upload it, but there was the Bum Bum cream. What is the smell? I can't describe it. I prefer the Bum Bum cream, in all honesty. But I like the fact it contains a retinol mimicking ingredients. Can't describe the scent. Maybe it'll tell me in the information. Let's have a look. A nourishing body butter to support the look of skin, elasticity and bounce, developed with a luscious, fresh floral scent. But yeah, we got a body cream. Next we've got something for your hair. This is a Daily Damage Defense Daily Leave-In Conditioner by Philip Kingsley, and the 60 mils there. This easy to apply leave-in conditioner spray makes wet or dry hair simple to detangle while improving manageability, hair condition and reducing breakage. So something for your hair. Next we have got here Grande Cosmetics. Grande Cosmetics was the product, or was the brand, that plumped my hand. The lip plumping gloss. So this time we've got a lash enhancing serum, a 3-month supply, and it's clear. And it says here, simply swipe to each lash line once daily is all you need for long, lush looking lashes. Now I had trouble ripping this off, so I'm not going to bother. It's just clear with a little brush, and then you apply it to your lashes. No, I'm gonna have to wait and open it up with scissors, because I can only open it up to there, and then I can't put the lid on. That's what happened with the last one anyway. So I'm learning from experience. This award-winning lash serum promotes the appearance of naturally longer and fuller looking lashes, infused with a blend of vitamins, peptides, amino acids and hyaluronic acid to improve the look of short, thin and brittle lashes. Is that? And then we've got a product from Espa. I love Espa. Natural Beauty in a Calm Triactive Regenerating Phytocollagen Plumping Mask, Age-Defying Mask for plump and smooth looking skin. And there's 30 mils there. Discover instant results with a skincare saviour for weary skin. Perfect for night owls and everyone in need of a skin refresh. This mask revives lackluster complexions with rich conditioning properties. Oh my god, I had a sniff. What do you smell of? Oh, the smell. Oh, the smell is so nice. I love Espa. Yeah, I'm not going to squirt it. It's a mask, a face mask. There's that. We've got something from Rituals. The Ritual of Namaste Conscious Skincare. Purify Velvetly Smooth Cleansing Foam. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this. I have had Rituals advent calendars for the last couple of years. I buy products from Rituals. I buy any of their limited edition boxes, anything like that. And I have tried their skincare ranges, but in teeny tiny samples. It's full size. I'm assuming it's full size. It's 125 mils. Moringa and Holy Lotus. So it's a cleansing foam. I have got a thing for cleansers. Oh, I love them. I love them. Mild soap-free creamy cleansing foam. Let's have a sniff then. Right, I'm going to put some on my hand. I know it's a cleanser, but I just want to sniff it. Oh, that's so nice. It's not that strong either, but oh yeah, I love that. Enriched with a cocktail of active ingredients to help purify and cleanse. It blends Kirin, Holy Lotus and Moringa extract to leave the complexion feeling smooth, not smooth, I always say this, soothed and hydrated. So there's that. Next, Colour Wow, something for your hair. This is a colour security shampoo, 100% clean, residue free, won't dull colour, weigh hair down or impede hair growth. And there's 30 mils here. Now, one thing that's missing from this box, no, it's not actually. I was going to say is that it doesn't contain a conditioner, but yeah, it does. It was hidden. We have got a colour security conditioner for fine to normal to daily for normal hair. So we've got a shampoo and a conditioner. Brilliant. I just don't buy shampoos and conditioners from separate brands. Refresh hair from root to tip with a shampoo conditioner duo. The shampoo works to eliminate impurities without over drying, whilst the conditioner works to hydrate and maintain vibrancy. Those 2 items left, and we have got here, how do you say this? Decote. Hydra Clarify. This is really hard. I'll show you in a minute. A Hydra Clarity Micro Essence Cleansing Emulsion. There's 9 mils here. A clarifying cleansing milk which eliminates the need for a double cleanse regime with emollient oils and prebiotic fermented filtrate, leaving skin clean, clear and hydrated after rinsing. See? Yeah, I find it hard to read that. It's small writing. But oh my gosh, look at the bottle. That is really cute. Little teeny tiny one there. Got a cleansing essence. And then lastly, we've got some brushes from Real Techniques. These are 407 and 200. They're for foundation and blush. And they're little minis. I've actually got the full size of these and I love them. The blush brush I've been using for years. I do get a new one now and again, but I have been using it for years and years and years. So cute. You can't go wrong with Real Techniques. Really nice. I like those. I like the fact that the little mini ones. Made with ultra plush synthetic bristles that feel soft to the skin, these brushes are 100% cruelty free. And they just say mini multitasking brush and mini expert face brush. So you can use them for whatever you want. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this year's Lookfantastic Mother's Day beauty box. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? How does it compare to last year's? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. Even if you think, nah, do you know what? It's not for me this year. I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.